Annette. This is
Jenni.
This is
Tachi.
And then back there we have a visitor.
That celery went on my nose.
That is disgusting.
But I got Buffalo Wild Wings.
She's the only one eating good.
I'm sorry, y'all. This was a last minute thing, just to let everybody know.
Last minute.
And I got lemon pepper.
Quien la viera? I got popcorn.
Oh,
I got all types of. I got all types of shit. Tacos,
And she's trying to be healthy.
celery.
Swear.
But then you got chocolate.
So.
That she finna share. Okay. I want to start off with the first question.
Question.
Number uno.
The one that you sent us?
Yeah.
Okay. Favorite type of food?
Me.
Y'all niggas ugly as fuck, but say
My girlfriend.
you're nasty. I'm done with this video. It's over with. Period.
It's over with.
This ain't it.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Anyways.
I don't.
On some
Panera.
real shit.
Panera?
I love Panera.
I've never been to Panera.
Panera's bomb.
You missing out, sis.
When have I been?
Shut the fuck up because shut the fuck up. Where are we gonna take you? Probably
We
Sunday.
take them out.
Sorry, it's because Saturdays are for somebody.
Saturdays are for the bros.
Okay. Yeah, in that case, it's for y'all.
For the niggas.
Stop. I don't know what's my favorite food.
I like
tacos.
Oh,
I like sopes.
I like tacos.
And then I like Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
I like Zaxby's. Mm-hmm.
Get on out.
Okay.
Chick-fil-A is like too hype. Like,
It's too basic, but
they
I went
overhype
to Chick-fil-A
that
today, you guys.
so did I.
That's why I said it. Could have had Chick-fil-A.
I like pasta.
Oh, I love. No,
I like
no.
spaghetti.
I love Olive Garden.
Olive Garden,
Oh,
the
God.
breadsticks, and then the fucking salad. Woo!
Celery
Let's
is
go.
disgusting.
Go back.
Oh, but I thought it would taste like shit.
I didn't say
You
that.
said it didn't taste like anything.
You just said celery tastes disgusting, but you're eating it.
Cause it tastes better. Stop looking at me like that.
Okay, next question, cause
Jenni don't know. Number 2.
where do y'all see each other in the future?
Sucking dick.
Don't you do that already?
Put myself on la iglesia.
I see myself. Is it
How
like
many
5? No, it doesn't say specifically.
say?
It just says in the future. Is it like 5 years from now?
To be honest, at the rate that I'm going
am I
right now,
picking it?
I probably will have dropped out and become a stripper.
Oh no, May 20. Where you at? May 2020. Where you at?
Y'all come to my graduation. Creekside.
And then our graduation party.
Out there.
I'm hitting the polls. Sorry.
Well, you're not even halfway done, so that's on you. But don't do it. It's not worth it.
Please don't.
School isn't as hard as people think it is.
It really isn't. Then again, I never go.
Exactly. So
I can't really be talking.
You're so
Jenni doesn't ever go either.
You don't go?
She goes, but she goes into the bathroom and skips.
No, not in the bathroom.
Oh, you lame as hell.
I don't go to the bathroom.
I go to the boys' bathroom. I go.
Where else are you gonna go?
True, she is a man. Ooh,
Yo.
Jenni, you have to put your whole information out there. She's not a man, you guys.
Why would you?
I don't know where I see myself in the future.
Me neither.
What kids?
Just with I'm going with the flow.
Me too. Riding the wave.
So that's the only thing you're writing?
Dick.
Tenía hambre, okay?
Yeah, me too.
3.
Number 3. Hobbies. Fucking sleep. I don't do shit.
I don't know what that means, but I don't know what that means either. Not going to school. On the phone. I go to school every day, so I know what I'm talking about.
My favorite hobby.
I don't do shit to be saying.
I don't do
got a
shit
hobby.
either.
Mm,
All we do is literally hang out with the family.
pretty much.
And I don't
Not
get tired
even.
of it.
I don't
Sometimes
get
I
tired.
do.
Sometimes I do. I feel
Sometimes
like,
I do because
I
I'm
don't.
like, I don't get tired of hanging out with
Sure.
y'all.
It's
but,
gonna
like,
sound gay, but I be enjoying our little pendejitas.
no, like, I'm saying, like, us, it's okay. But four.
Number 4, part 2. What is it?
Okay, this one. Okay, we're doing this one.
Oh, that is?
Okay, yeah, first time.
Number 5.
Favorite cousin? All of them, because we're all the same.
My
Okay,
girlfriend.
look.
Together.
I'm gonna tell y'all this.
My girlfriend.
They're not.
We're not cousins.
We're
Oh
not
my
cousins.
gosh.
I don't even know them.
I was so
I'm just
rude.
playing.
That is so. I just caught on to what you
You're
said.
slow as shit.
Slow. Who's the question 6? Who's the slowest? Jenni. Literally Jenni.
Hands down, Jenny. You guys.
Like if
Even
we're
a
including
question.
Stephanie, Cynthia, Jocelyn, and like the other girls,
Jenny.
Definitely her.
definitely.
I'm sorry. I'm like pendeja as fuck.
We know.
I suffer
Anyways,
from pendejitis. Literally.
okay.
6.
Okay. Not a question, but you are beautiful. Gracias.
Like,
That wasn't towards me or Jenny. That was just
Actually-
on it. Pull out your questions.
I didn't get questions. I got one more time.
Question number 7, because you're taking too long. Favorite song? Any banda song?
at the moment, it would be.
For me, son los gustos que me doy by the Recoditos.
I don't know. I've
Ella
been like
quiere
Own
beber.
It. Just because it's on.
She couldn't think of anything.
Ow, ow, ow.
Mine has been
Basic.
Own It by Drink. I'm not the one that's really eating.
8.
Yeah, well, you're the only one that really.
What
got
are
it.
your dreams?
To sleep.
To
be successful.
To graduate high school.
I wanna go to Georgia Tech.
Not lisp. Feelings.
I wanna go to Georgia Tech, but that's not gonna happen. So
Anyways, what are
Marianne's
your dreams?
mean.
You need new friends, Jenny.
I know.
Okay, Jenny, what are your dreams?
To graduate, honestly, mine though.
Yeah, right now for me it's just
Go
to
to
graduate.
Yeah, just to graduate, my bad.
Get
I'm
my
not going
shit
to college.
together.
For right now, that's to graduate. After that,
I need to get a scholarship so I can go to college.
I would never get that.
But that
That's
ain't gonna
gone for
happen.
me.
So
We way off now.
Okay, we're done. We're done talking about our dreams.
that's a goal that.
Next.
Next.
Wait.
Number 8.
The biggest lie you've ever told one another. ¿Nos van a poner a pensar así? The biggest lie we've ever told each other, one another. I don't feel like I've lied to y'all or like had a biggest lie because like I literally
That'd
tell
be like
y'all
something
everything.
small.
Yeah.
If you lie, it'd be like, oh, but then you like tell them the truth
Yeah.
later. I don't know.
Yeah, it probably was a big lie. It wasn't a big lie.
Like, oh, this and this happened. No, not even like something like.
I don't even think like it would probably be like I don't know.
I don't think we've ever really lied like that to each other. That's what I think. Like that.
I don't know. Jenny, you not gonna say nothing? No, is that
I was kind of choking over there on my taco.
You
but
was not
whatever.
choking clearly.
clearly because you were like.
Guys, I'm running out of water.
Have y'all ever snuck out?
Yes. That should be a story time soon with the person I snuck out with.
Twice.
Once?
To date.
Huh? Favorite what?
I find that question so dumb, if I'm being honest.
What?
Favorite race? Like favorite. You know what I mean?
I like
Ethnicity?
Hispanics,
Yeah. Same.
but
Me and
I go
honestly.
for I mean,
But I
go
don't
for
like. I've
anybody.
never been with like a chinito or something.
Oh hell no. That could never be me. What the fuck? I just got salsa on my jeans.
Ah.
Next question.
Anyways, yeah. Oh, that was
Yeah, we're just playing
so
with Jenni. We really care about
bad.
her sometimes.
Memory we have with each other.
All
of them.
Because we literally.
So.
Have you this song?
Yeah, I know this song.
Literally all of them, though.
Honestly.
Yeah. We have the most fun whenever
We be having the
When
most
we're all
stupidest
together, honestly.
moments.
I feel like we only have stupid moments is because of you.
Dead ass, though. Dead ass.
That was mean.
It's not mean. That's like a compliment because you make
No,
it
because
like...
like we sometimes we just be straight chilling at somebody's house and we just have conversations that are stupid and they make fun of each other.
Pretty
So,
much.
who's the craziest? That person's not here. I'm just like,
Who is it? Bethany?
I think
it's clearly
Steph-
not me.
I feel like it's more Stephanie.
Yeah.
I just broke this whole ring.
I feel like it's her than you, or you than her.
Me?
Yes, you be having wild and ass nights. And you can't say no.
I'm not saying no.
I mean, Jenni used to have some too. No, my man, you feel like this shit? The fuck?
I do be having some wild last night. Why you so fine?
Bitch. Oh.
Jenni!
Oh.
Who the hell lied to
Oh my
you?
god. Yeah, man.
Excuse me.
Bitch, don't be like that. Don't hit her up.
Please don't. Y'all don't hype her up.
But what's more important in a relationship? Love or loyalty?
I have to put my input in first.
Oh my god. This through her phone and shit.
I think love.
Love?
Yes. Because without love, you're not going to get loyalty. Who finna be loyalty?
I mean, I feel like it's like, I wouldn't say half and half because it's like you can be loyal to somebody, but you can't love them.
Love them.
How does that
It's just
work,
like-
though? I don't see how that...
Chorito.
Because, like, if I don't fuck with you, why would I be loyal to you? You know what I'm saying?
Because you're just trying to get their hopes up.
I would... If I'm gonna play someone, I ain't finna be loyal.
I don't know.
I don't know, but I be playing niggas left and right, so...
I mean,
Me, I would say... I don't know.
Are y'all single or in a relationship?
Single!
I don't know what the fuck I got going on.
I'm in a relationship.
Wait.
We all come.
Wait.
I hope your girlfriend's either.
Okay, I have a girlfriend, and I cheat on her, and she cheats on me, but it works out in the end because it's an open relationship.
Loyalty.
But
Love. That's not love. Because you're not loyal. Wait, so then how are you going to talk about love?
Say how you gonna be loyal?
Right.
okay, well, anyways, I don't know what the fuck I got going on, but
Okay,
I'm
so
single, so-
taken, single,
Complicated.
Oh my god. Wings.
That one had a lot of like.
hoes, question mark?
Nope.
Yes,
Nope.
yes, I do.
No.
I do.
I don't.
I don't give a shit about y'all niggas. Drinking or smoking? Smoking.
Both.
Smoking.
I guess drinking.
I'm in the middle.
Smoking.
Drink. Especially tequila. Fuck beer. I don't
Bruh,
like beer like
I
that.
hate beer with a passion.
Unless
Okay.
I'm really like, there's nothing
You
else
want
to drink.
one? Yeah.
And if it's cold.
Would you take any nigga back? I would.
I'll put the little name right here that she said.
No, stop.
Depends
I
on the
wouldn't.
person, honestly.
I wouldn't.
I
Not
took
exes
this
for a reason.
I took this one person back so many times.
How many kids y'all want?
2 to 3.
3 to 4.
I don't want a lot.
You want 4?
I can't.
What names do
no,
y'all want to
no.
name y'all's kids? I
For
like the
my
name.
girl, I want Andrea.
Andrea?
That's pretty.
It's kind of basic, but I like it.
No, I think it's basic.
I have a list of names.
Like to go to the past or into the future.
I'm
The
just.
future.
I'm, can I just stay where I'm at?
No.
I would want to go to the past just to see the people who's passed away one last time.
I don't know. And then like I'm gonna like want to stay there or some shit.
I mean, yeah, but like
I might fuck around and mess up my machine. And I died.
Would y'all rather know when you're gonna die or how you're gonna die?
Neither. Neither.
When?
That's what I said.
So I can do stupid shit.
So I can live my life.
I can't, cause then I be.
I wouldn't
That
want
whole
to know
day,
how
I'd be
I
like-
die. Like if I die tomorrow, I'm gonna fucking go out and have fun right now.
I tell you, at least the guy name that I want.
I had a whole list.
For
I
some
don't even
reason,
let me tell you.
I really do like the name Damien.
Bitch, that's the number one on my name, on my list.
Nah, I'm for sure I have a kid first.
Bitch, I will get pregnant this year. Don't try me. Favorite TV show
fuck?
at the moment.
Riverdale. It's kind of getting late
No.
though. So
Right now that's on. X on the beach.
I'm waiting on my blog to come out.
Me too. But
It's March. Where that?
this TV show old. Well, I just started watching it, but The Vampire Diaries.
Narcos Mexican.
Oh, that one's good.
Narcos.
You watched it? The whole thing?
I'm gonna get married to a narco, y'all. God.
I know who dies, and I was mad.
Would you rather
Jenni, get in.
date someone you love or date someone who loves you?
No, I just caught up.
Someone you love or date someone who loves you? Date someone I love.
No. I love.
No.
Someone who loves me.
Yeah, someone who
Both.
loves me. Because,
Cause I want to
What
be in
if-
love with a person, and I want them to be in love with me.
I mean, yeah, but like, what if I love them, but they just don't give me the same energy back?
Very true. Very true.
So,
Well, in every relationship,
one gives more
one
than the
gives
other.
more than the other. So
And it always tends to be me, so I want to see how it feels the other way around. Like, what? Y'all feel hit, okay? All right.
for me, I'd be the one not giving love.
Jenni,
Wait, no.
how rude ass.
I don't like crazy memory.
Craziest?
When I used to go to the club, those were my craziest nights.
Maybe when I snuck out those 2 nights,
not-
because I was so paranoid.
I'm
And
not
it was fun
gonna
as fuck.
expose that one person.
No,
What happened that
can
one
we
night. What's the longest relationship y'all have ever been in?
The one I'm in right now?
I don't do relationships.
No, but yeah, the one I'm in right now.
Well, like actual relationship, mine was a month and like a couple days, which is so sad. But talking to somebody, I guess talking. I don't know if we was dating though.
She said a month or so, but yeah, it was sad.
It was sad.
I don't do relationships.
I broke up with him, but then I wanted to get back with him.
Why would you do that?
10 months.
No, the longest I've ever like talked to somebody was 5 months. I don't know if we consider him dating, because never mind, not gonna
Not
get
going
into depth.
it.
Cause it was too much.
I know.
I don't think I brought my toothbrush.
Ew, no. Yes.
That's the end.